This is the Pruvio Dashcam. Now this thing is incredible. It has 4 cameras. 4 cameras. How insane is that? I've never seen a dash cam with 4 separate cameras. Like what? That is mind blowing. So you've got one camera under here, obviously, which is going to be your forward facing camera. And then you've got 2 on the sides here, and you can like swivel those around. So those can either kind of use those for like the peripheral sides, or even you can use those so that they're pointing back inside the car, so you can keep an eye on what's happening inside the car. This thing is so awesome. Oh, and then the 4th camera, the 4th camera goes to the back. So this is your rear camera, so you can see what's happening behind you. This thing is awesome. It records in 1080p. It connects to an app, so you can see all of that information through the app. It also has comes with a little SD card there, so you can record straight to the SD card, and you've got your power outlet, and then that is the plug for the back camera. All sorts of adjustments you can make, so you can have like sensors for when it would start recording, all that kind of jazz. A ton of different features, but this thing is so awesome. You can mount it with the suction mount at the back, or you can just put it, you know, on your rear vision mirror, that kind of thing. This thing is awesome. Highly recommend it. 4 cameras. Go check it out.